Hello, good evening. So we are here at Monaco. So what a beautiful flower. So there it is. So it's not a good weather today here because it's going to rain. So I just take a few minutes to take a video and live here after. So for you to see the beautiful park here. Yeah. So I love this area here. Look, that is the Monte Carlo Casino. So this is it. It's very beautiful. So I love this flower. Look, so beautiful. So look at this flower, so very beautiful. Wow, I really love this. So here it is. We are here. So thank you for watching, everyone. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I am more determined to keep posting and of course doing live as you are supporting me. Thank you so much, everyone. So I really love this place here. The beautiful. So this is it here, and of course I love this space here. Look, so awesome, beautiful. So here is not allowed the dog to bring the dog here. So this is it. Ah yes, I love this here. I really love the view here. Look. And this is it. There's a fountain. Actually here, this is the space where they put actually the carousel. So here in this area, it's a fountain here. It's a beautiful place. And here we go. So after this I'm gonna do live. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great evening, everyone. Thank you for watching.